the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The wisdom that abandons limitations and is free from all things transcends the objects of our ideas, whatever they may be. The definition that does not define is that wisdom is pervasive like the sky. The light of the sky is free from ideas, applications, and visualizations. It cuts through the complications made by extreme positions about origins and applications. This is obvious to those who have knowledge. There is nothing that exemplifies the transmission of self-luminosity. It has no validations. E Ma'o, this is the mirror of clarity. E Ma'o, it is beyond the conventionalities of words. Without our seeking it, it shines out like the light of the sun. It is uncontrived. It does not abide. It has no structure. Without our seeking it, it shines out like the light of the sun. Those who dwell on the path that is not worked on are wise in the pathways of omniscience. Our awareness is engaged in the wheel of self-luminous awareness, without our desire or engaging in it. Clarity in the uncontrived and non-dual, so those with understanding will use the way of non-duality to succeed. We don't do anything. We don't contemplate anything. We do not hold on to limitations. We have no center. In the mandala of awareness, which has no borders, we use the wheel of an unattached mind to cut through ideas that cling to definitions. Turn the prow of non-dual awareness. Look at the tantras that are not written. Listen to the sound of self-luminous awareness. The intent of unspeakable awareness is the way that self-luminosity abides in everything. We use a wheel of exemplification to join with the intent of equanimous wisdom. The unsought and unpursued bodhicitta abides like the light of our friend and protector, the sun. For the Dharma of akanishta, awareness is the basis which is clarified to be a method towards self-originating awareness. The wheel of primordially luminescent perfection is not for those with polluted attitudes devoted to origins and applications. The dominion of the Dharma of self-luminous awareness has no width or narrowness. It is the abode of all things. Yogins who dwell on this without searching will succeed by placing themselves into this abundance without being distracted.